In this video, you're going to learn the one thing that every coach needs to know about protecting a coaching brand online. And if you hang with me till the end, I'll show you some real-life examples of how others have used this same trick. Promise, it is so not complicated. I'm Maria Spear-Allis, lawyer for content creators and online brands, and this is the Spear IP Show. So what do Tim Ferriss, Tony Robbins, Brené Brown, what do they all have in common? All personal names that operate as more than just a name. What have they all done? They've taken their individual names and turned them into brand names. So what's the difference and why does this matter? Well, there's a difference between a personal name and a brand name. We call it a trademark use. Using your personal name as a brand name is super common in the coaching industry. Look up your favorite big name coach and I'll bet you will find one of these. You can see examples of Tim Ferriss and Tony Robbins and Brené and how they've registered their personal names in connection with specific services. So what's the difference between offering coaching services and using your name as a brand name? Let me kind of put it into website terms. What's the name on the top menu or the header of your website? Is it your personal name or is it kind of a business name? Here's an example of a lady who offers legal services. We might call her a legal coach. Oh yeah, that's me. See how at the top of my website it says Spear IP? In fact, you don't see my name until you go to the About Me page. This is not an example of using your personal name as a brand name. My brand name is Spear IP, even though I offer legal coaching services, right? Just because you are a person who offers services doesn't necessarily mean that your personal name is your brand name. Let me say that again. If you're a coach and you're offering coaching services, then that's great. But if your own personal name isn't that client-facing brand name, like Tim Ferriss, like Tony Robbins, like Brené Brown, but also like Oprah and Martha Stewart and Michael Kors and others that use their personal name as a brand name, your name is just your name. It's not a trademark. So that's the one thing that coaches need to know about protecting a coaching brand online. Your personal name may or may not operate as your brand name. It's not enough to just offer services yourself. It has to be that client-facing brand name to earn that trademark protection. So dial down on whether you are using your personal name or a brand name and get it protected, please. I hope that helps you better understand the one thing that coaches need to know about protecting a coaching brand online, and I'll see you next time. Head to spear-ip.com/quiz and take my free quiz that will diagnose the legal blind spot that's secretly killing your business. Not only is it going to tell you what your blind spot is, but it's going to tell you how to fix it yourself. Again, that's spear-ip.com/quiz.